Okay, hello guys, this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films. Today I'm going to be showing you how to auto cut a beat on Premiere Pro. How you can actually cut a clip and it will run with the beat on Premiere Pro without syncing it yourself. So stay tuned as I walk you through this. Now this is what you need. This is the project which I did before. So we are going to start everything afresh. What do I do now? Let me delete the whole video. The video is gone this way. Then let me refresh everything here. Delete this too. Okay. Okay, we are good. Okay, this is how you start. You have your beat that has the beat or the tempo at which you want to cut into. There's a particular beat, maybe the kick or the snare or whatever you want to use as your beat. So you already have the music on your timeline and you have the clip here. You selected all your clips. This is my clip here. This is the clip I want to use. So what do? I have to double click on the clip. So use your mark in and mark out. How do I use your I to mark in and use your O to mark out? Then you do it for all the clips. Mark in and out where you want the clip to start, in and out where you want it to stop. Do it, take your time, do it for all the clips like that. Like that, shift here, mark out. So do it for all, mark in and mark out. Take time, arrange the clips the way you want them to start and the way you want them to stop. So you do that. You use the letter I for mark in and your letter O for mark out. So I'm taking my time to do it on all the clips. Mark in, I take it to here and I hit my mark out. The same thing to all the clips. From here in, from here out. Okay, in here and here. I'll put it here, out. The same on all the clip. So and out. So I took my time to mark all the clip in and out. Now, what is the next thing we do? We come to the beat. This is the beat. Expand the view. On the beat, this is what you do. You have to play the beat and use your M button to follow the kick. Whatever sound you want to follow, use the M button to tap. Tap on the M while you're following the beat. What that means, it will be creating a marker at those points you want the clip to auto cut. You just place a marker there. This is what I mean. As the beat is playing, I'm hitting the M button. Okay, let's go. Sorry, let's go this way. Make sure you don't select the audio. Make sure you deselect the audio and you play. So I missed the first kick. So let's start again. Okay, this is it. So I was able to place my marker. Some of the beats I missed it, but you can always arrange that when you're doing it. Take your time, make sure you get the beat the way you want it and you hit that M at the exact beat you want to make the cut. So once you're done with it like this, then you come to the clip. Select all the clip. Here, select all. You select all and you come to clip over here and you say automate to sequence. This is automate to sequence. So don't leave it on the sort order, put it on selection order. Then here, placement, make sure it's not on subsequentially. Put it on at unnumbered marker. Then here overwrite, I use overwrite, and check the button, the check here, ignore audio, because you're cutting to audio. That means you don't want it to come with audio. So you check ignore audio, use in and out range, the in and out range, then you hit OK. Once you hit OK, you close this, and voila, this is all of them here on your timeline. This is it. Easy as that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Film. If you've not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and for amazing tutorials coming your way, and you will be happy you did. So the trick for this auto cut is to always hit the M button at the beat. If you make a mistake, delete that particular marker and continue. Maybe you can start afresh or delete that particular marker and continue from the next marker. Play it from the next marker, and you hit M, and you come over to the clip area and you select all your clip in and out. You do it, then everything will just align the way it is. Okay, thank you for watching, and this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.